Standard First, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 16. Understand and write 0. Children, take a tin and then put some stones on it. Did you hear a sound of stones? Count the stones which you put in it. Every stone's numbers are different, correct? Yes. Now, remove all stones from tin and close it. Now shake it. Do you hear a sound of stones? This time no sound, because nothing in a tin now. Absolutely correct. It means we can't hear sound when nothing is in the tin. Correct. Nothing means 0. Understood? Now we write 0 digit. 0. Like this. Draw a small circle. Now open your textbook. What we learned yesterday? Turn the next page after that. Look at the left picture. How many passengers are standing here? 4 passengers. Correct. What is that place? Bus stop. They are waiting for bus. Correct. 4 passengers waiting for bus. Now, look at the right-sided picture. What is that place? It is the same bus stop. What you see there? A red bus is passing on. How many people are sitting in a bus? 4 passengers in a bus. Now tell me, how many passengers remain on the bus stop? Nobody on the bus stop now. Nobody means 0. 0 passengers remain on bus stop. Now look at the pictures following. What is the white object in picture? It is white dish. Correct. What is in it? It is laddus. What is the color of laddus? Orange. Count the laddus in white dish. There are 5 laddus. Now look at the second picture. What is the color of the dish? It is a pink dish. Correct. Can you see some objects in a pink dish? No. It means nothing in a pink dish. Correct. Nothing means 0. 0 objects in a pink dish. Children, now you understand the magic of 0? A 0 has no value when it is written before the digit. For example, 0, 1. If we write 0 before digit, its value is only 1. But when we put 0 after number 1, it makes 10. Isn't it funny?